Hi everyone, I wanted to make a quick video here to show you how to download ArcGIS Pro and ArcMap. So this is a screenshot here of Blackboard. The announcement was also sent out as an email. So to activate your code, you can click on this link here and it'll open up the student trial version, which is a 1-year free subscription. You should have created your ArcGIS Online account, and so we should have an ESRI account. And in that announcement I sent out, there is an Excel sheet. In that, there is a EVA code assigned to your name. Please only use your name. So I will put one in here. Give me a second. Thought I had that. And I will put that in there. And give it a second. So now you should get to this page here, and it says select the version you want. And so these are the most current versions that we have here. So the book was technically written for ArcGIS Pro 2.1. The latest is 2.4. I say to download 2.4. Some of the interface and things will definitely look different than 2.1, but we should be able to work with that. If you want, you can always download 2.1, but I recommend 2.4. Click on that. Now, here we are. We have ArcGIS Pro, which you need to download. And we also have ArcGIS Desktop ArcMap, which you need to download. So these are the two things that we need to download. So all you do is click on download. And you'll notice how down here it's downloading. Notice it's a exe file, which means it's an executable file. And the next thing you want to do is just click on this one, download that. And when they are done downloading, just click on the link here, the file, and it'll walk you through downloading and installing it. So when you do download it, or excuse me, when you do install it, the best place to install it is to your C drive, and that's how it should go. If you have any questions, please email me.